Today I present to you a TV with touchscreen capabilities. This is a Roku TV with a touchscreen add-on, as you see the additional frame. Utilizing custom designed software for a customer. We'll go ahead and select jobs. As you can see, the screen changed. Select notes if there's notes. We will go back to the main page. This page automatically gets updated as the customer updates from a PC or mobile device in the field or in the office. This information then gets projected here on the TV, utilizing custom developed software on the Raspberry Pi set behind the TV.